In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Prezi for classroom teaching. Prezi is a fantastic tool that allows you to create engaging and fluid presentations, which are perfect for capturing the attention of your students and enhancing their learning experience. Let's dive into the process and see how you can create a dynamic lesson plan using Prezi. First things first, you'll need to log into your Prezi account and open your dashboard. Once you're in, you'll find a variety of options. But for today, our focus is on creating an engaging lesson plan. So go ahead and click on Create from Template. Here, Prezi offers a range of templates specifically designed for education and lesson planning. Take a moment to explore these options and choose one that fits the theme or style of your lesson. This template will serve as the foundation for your presentation. Next, add the main topic or subject of your lesson. This is essentially the title of your presentation and sets the direction for everything else that follows. Choose a title that's clear and informative to ensure your students understand the focus of the lesson from the get-go. Once the main topic is in place, it's time to break down your lesson into manageable subtopics. Think of these as sections within your presentation that cover individual concepts or activities. This organizational step is crucial as it not only structures your lesson but also helps your students to follow along more easily. Now, what's a presentation without some visual appeal? Start inserting text, images, videos, and diagrams to convey your lesson concepts. Visual elements can greatly aid in understanding, especially complex ideas, turning them into digestible parts for your students. Adding varied media can also cater to different learning styles, making your lesson more effective. To captivate your students even further, take advantage of Prezi's signature feature, the zoom and navigation paths. These zoom paths allow you to seamlessly guide students from one subtopic to another, creating a more interactive and fluid presentation. Utilize these tools to emphasize important points or transition smoothly between different sections. Once your Prezi is online, you can invite students to participate by sharing a link with them. This could allow them to collaborate directly or simply view the presentation at their own pace. This interactive element can encourage engagement and allow students to explore the material more independently. Finally, when your lesson is ready to go live, simply click Present to deliver your lesson interactively. Presenting in Prezi allows you to engage with your audience, ensuring that your lesson is both educational and engaging. And that's how you use Prezi for classroom teaching. With Prezi, you're not just presenting information, you're crafting a learning experience. So go ahead and give it a try, and watch as your students become more engaged and motivated in the classroom.